Okay, I'm going to show you how to get onto your map test. So you're going to go to your class link page where you get to Google Classroom, Path Blazers, and you're going to click on this green map button. It's the green one. So click on that, and it's going to take you to this page where you put session name. That's where you're going to put the session name. So for this example, it's Pena Math 1. And then the password is the session password, 3321. And then you're going to push that button. You're going to choose your name and then select your test. You're going to be taking Map Growth 2 through 5. If you come to a page that looks like this, there are two things I want you to try and do. First, if you come up here, there's going to be a little thing that pops up right here. That's going to be notifying you that a pop-up has been blocked. So you're going to click on that and push Allow. If that does not come up, then what's probably happening is that it's probably open in another window. So you come down here to where you see Chrome, and when you open that, you'll see I have two different windows open. I have this one and this one. Okay, so now I have this window that we see, another window, and then here is where my test login went. So that's one way to fix that. The third way to fix it is it might have popped up and then accidentally been X'd out or disappeared. So you just come up here to where you have your test session, push enter, and it'll open a new window for you to put your session name and your session password. Hope that helps.